I hope you all are fine. We are doing exercise 4.1, question number 4, which is very easy. Evaluate. Be careful that here you only have to put the values. If I talk about part 1, x equals 3 means I will just put 3 here. It will become 3 to the power 3 means 3 cubed. Y equals -1 means I will just put the value of y -1 over here, and then z equals -2 here as well, and you can just solve. So be careful that after putting the value 3 power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, it will become 27. It will not be 9. Be careful about this silly mistake. -1 will be just copied, because if you do all the steps in one single step, might be the chance of error got increased. Be careful about this. Minus minus plus 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. In the denominator, 3 multiplied by -2 will give you -6, and then 27 multiplied by -1 will give you -27 plus 4, and -23 over -6 minus and minus is going to cancel, so 23 over 6 will be the answer. Excellent, good job. Moving towards part 2, again same procedure. You have to be very mindful after putting the values, because the values is in negative, so be careful about this. I will just put the values. -1 to the power 3 means -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1, which is equals to -1. Be careful about that. If the number is in negative and the power is odd, I'm repeating it again. If the number is in negative and the power is odd, so the answer must be negative. Here you can see -1. If it's even part means -1 to the power 2, so it will become +1. -1 to the power 4 will become +1. Whenever the power is even, answer will be positive. Be careful about this, because you do this in your exam, which is considered as very silly mistake, and you will lose your marks. After that, -1 multiplied by -9, which is equals to +9, -8. How it become negative? 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and in the denominator is -4. Now let's see what will be the step. Yes, 9 minus 8 over -4. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 over -4. You would also know that whenever the sign is in denominator, always considered as with numerator. So -1 over 4 will be your final answer. In part B as well, the values are given and you have to just put the value, but be careful about this. Be very careful about this. X equals 4, y equals -2, z equals -1. Just put the values. Be careful. -2 power 3 means negative number, power is odd, means answer of this particular is negative. You can see here. Okay, -2 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -2. But here -1 to the power 4, number is negative but the power is positive, and the power is even. Be careful about this. Power is even means -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 will give you +1. You will solve this. -1 to 8 -5, you will get -133, because minus minus plus sign of greater number. This is your answer. You know that this is improper fraction, so you can write in mixed form. Okay, moving towards question number 5. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Here you can easily observe positive 2x, but here is negative 2x. What is this? Here it's negative 3y, but here is positive 3y. So can I do a single step to make this same? Yes. And what will be the step is, if if I will take negative as a common here, means it will become, if I take negative as a common here, it will become 2x minus 3y. Now I can see 2x, 2x, negative 3y, negative 3y. So be careful about this, and this minus and this minus. Minus minus plus. As I mentioned earlier, whenever the minus is in denominator, always considered as with numerator. So this one minus minus will become plus. Now you can easily take the LCM, but here the denominator is same, which is pretty much easier for you. 15 plus 4 equals 19, and this one will be your answer. Good job. I hope you fully understand the concept. Moving towards the next part.